right, well there's our entrance, I guess. Oh, dude, I don't know if this is a good idea, man. Dude, this feels so stupid. Look, I'm stuck. I don't think I can do this, man. I don't think this is gonna work, bro. I'm getting really scared, man. I'm like actually freaking out. How far down is it? Let's see. That's kind of far. It's like 4 feet. No. I thought this was gonna be fun, Jake. What happened? Welcome to Chattanooga, people. Home of this abandoned cotton mill. What's this place called?
Yeah, the Thatcher Mill.
The Thatcher Mill. I think it was abandoned in like the 80s. It used to be this big cotton mill, early 20th century, but I don't really know a ton about it, but it's abandoned. It's huge. They're actually doing a construction project right now. So they're like renovating it. So I'm not sure how access into the building is gonna be. I'm not really sure what's about to go down, but I think it'll be cool. Yeah, honestly, I'm pretty nervous. I don't know what's inside really, but join me, let's find out. Today we have Jake. We have a cameraman, people. Professional vlogger. Look at us, guys. We made it. So you can see where they've made the new logo for the apartment complex. Yeah, Jake and I were doing some research and it's like, they're dropping like $60 million on this place. So right now we're in the hood of Chattanooga. So sorry to all the locals. You're gonna have to get kicked out in a couple of years. Let's check this out. There might be an entrance.
This feels too easy to me, but you do you, bro.
Nah, bro.
You're not gonna climb up there?
Not feasible. Not feasible. Yeah, I don't know how much luck we're gonna have. Looks pretty inhabited. But it's better than coming in the daytime because you know for sure there's gonna be people crawling all over this campus. So this is really the only chance we got to explore this place. Yo, is that a camera?
Oh, light came on. I think it's a motion sensor light.
I saw some other stuff up there. There might be a camera.
I think there is a camera. I see a camera actually. 100% a camera. I'm telling you right now.
Jesus Christ. What's the odds you think it's like a live stream? Like, do you think someone's like monitoring it?
Not likely at this time. I don't know.
What time is it? Like 11? 10:30?
10:30 at night.
Okay, maybe as long as like we don't fuck anything up, right? Like.
Yeah.
All right. Well, there's our entrance, I guess.
Bro. Oh, it's sketchy.
Let's just give it a shot. My mother is going to be so disappointed in me.
Don't get tetanus.
You said do get tetanus?
Yeah.
I don't know if this floor is gonna hold, man.
I think you're gonna have to go in butt first. I think you'll bend better if you go in feet first.
Did that light turn off?
Yeah, it turned off.
Can you see the camera?
Yeah, it's there.
Jesus Christ.
100%.
I don't know how to do this, bro. I don't know if this is possible, dude.
It's possible.
Show me.
I'm taller than you, bro.
How do I fucking turn my torso and like?
Yeah, you're doing it. You're doing it. Now rotate your right hip around.
Dude, I'm not that flexible. How am I gonna get out, man?
I'll help you out.
Dude, I don't think I'm that flexible.
You're that flexible.
Dude, look, if I bend my torso, I'm gonna like hit this. Oh, I see. Oh, dude, I don't know if this is a good idea, man. I think I'm gonna break my fucking knees.
Nah.
I don't think this is gonna work, dude. But how am I gonna get out, man?
I'll pull you out.
Dude, this feels so stupid.
Do it for the subs.
Dude, I literally can't. Look, I'm stuck. My hips are twisted.
Now twist.
I can't twist anymore.
Twist clockwise now.
I am.
But
I'm
more.
trying.
Twist your
It's
lower
hurting my back, dude. I don't think I can do this, man. I don't think this is gonna work, bro. Why don't you go in? You show me.
I can't do it.
Why not?
Too scared. Don't want to get stabbed.
Jake's afraid he's gonna get stabbed by a ghost.
Yes.
Because we're in the hood and there's gangster ghosts.
There's ghosts down there, and they will stab you, and it's better him than me.
I don't know, dude. And my feet are on like, it feels like it's on a house of cards. They're like trembling on these like shitty, like hollow bricks.
Yeah.
Oh, there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Wait, that feels so sketchy. How am I gonna get out, dude? Wait, I'm getting really scared, man. Let's talk through it. How am I gonna get out?
Okay, you're gonna go head first, facing out. I'm gonna grab your hand and straight up pull you. I can lift your whole body weight, Connor.
Okay.
Getting out's
I'm really scared. Okay.
way easier.
All right. Dude, I think I'm gonna get stuck, bro.
No, you're not gonna get stuck.
Oh, I'm like actually freaking out. I don't know where to put my other foot, dude. Wait, how far down is it?
Not that far.
How far down is it? Let's see.
Yeah, like not that
That's
far.
kind of far. It's like 4 feet.
No.
And I'm gonna be jumping on some broken ass tile.
Nah, you're good. Easy peasy.
Let me see the lighting.
Yeah.
I'm so scared. I thought this was gonna be fun, Jake. What happened? Wait, let me see the light though. Okay.
Don't drop my phone down there, then you are going down there.
Wow, okay. I'm just gonna be like jumping into a pile of broken ass tile.
Well, coming out's gonna be easy. Think how easy coming out would be.
Alright, you're right. Shit. Fuck this.
Yes, he's through. He's in.
God damn you. Okay. That's actually not that bad. That wasn't that bad. Okay. Wow, fucking terrifying. Okay. Give me the goddamn camera, Jake. Wait outside. Or come in.
Not coming in.
Alright.
Have fun, y'all.
It's just you and me now. Alright. God damn it. Oh my god. I'm fucking trembling. Fucking heroin den. That's the entrance. That's where the workers come in. This feels so stupid. What are we doing? I'm still honestly freaking out from just getting into this place. It was really scary. I hope we didn't set off any alarms or... Guys, I don't really know what's happening right now. I don't know where we're going or... Yeah, I was reading up online. Yes, I did my research. I sure did. And this place, before it was a construction site, was just open to people. So over the last 3-4 years, it's been turned into a construction site for apartments. But before that, it was like a bunch of graffiti artists and homeless people were living here. So there's graffiti all over these walls. I saw a room over here. It looks like a really big warehouse area. Wow, that's sick. Wow, old floors, dude. These floors are creaking, bruh. Jesus, you can see, what's that, an air vent? Can y'all see that okay? It's completely rusted through. Whatever the hell it is. Yeah, should have got my tetanus shot. What do we have here? Is this where the scary ghost lives? Whoa. Everywhere you step in here, you gotta make sure the floor is not gonna fucking cave in. So this place is obviously a little more well lit. They have little windows here. A lot of the other areas in this place have been boarded up because obviously they don't want people sneaking in, like your boy. But they did not account for the ingenuity of a desperate YouTuber. They sure didn't. So it looks like they're pretty active here. They're gentrifying the fuck out of this place. They stay busy in here. They stay busy kicking out these poor black folks out of the neighborhood. It's a full-time job. Oh look, some beautiful artwork. And this must be where the construction workers take their breaks. Look, they got a nice little break room. Wow, the company provides them with their own break room. Amazing. This must be an elevator shaft, if I were to guess. Yeah, there's some cables. Oh, Jake just texted me. Let's see what it says. You alive, bro?
So it's been probably almost 30 minutes. I think it's pretty safe at this point to pronounce him dead. He went in that hole, didn't come out. He's probably joined the spirits at this point. All the other haunted spooks in there. He's hanging out. And we won't see him again. But we'll have this footage as a kind of a reminder, you know, to live life, get out there, hang out with your friends, do stuff, you know. Because I think we can pretty safely assume that this is the end for him. Yep.
Wow. That, guys, can you see the floor up there or the ceiling? Just completely fallen through. Wow. That does not make me trust the structural integrity of this place. Jesus Christ. This is not safe, guys. This is not safe. I don't recommend you do this. So we're not gonna go upstairs. Let's hold me to that, guys. Make sure I don't go upstairs, okay? A lot of rotten stuff, a lot of rusted stuff. Whoa. Oh, gotta wear my boots. Jesus Christ, like the freaking fluorescent lights popped everywhere. Paint chips on the floor. Probably fucking asbestos out the ass in here. Look at that ancient AC vent up there. Very cool. It's like looking into the past. Alright guys, I found a stair set. We're not gonna step foot on the top floor, but we are gonna look, alright? So let's go. This is properly fucking creepy. Oh wow, there's like lockers in here. So I guess this is where the workers used to put their clothes or work uniforms or who knows. Look, it's Chattanooga. Look, there's my car. I wonder how Jake's doing. Let's see. He just texted us. Bro, it's cold as shit out here. What a pussy. Here, let's see if we can give him. We'll try to throw him the keys to the car. His little bitch ass. Oh, you're gonna ignore my call, Jake, in a time of need? I thought it was cold, bro. Yo.
How far you go?
Dude, I'm stuck.
You're stuck?
Yeah, dude, I got my ankle caught.
No, I don't believe you.
Yeah, ghost, bro.
No.
I can drop you the keys. I'm in a window right now. I can throw you the keys. Come around to the car. You'll see me.
Oh my god, dude. It's crazy.
You didn't want to come in. You didn't want to wait. You know, you're just not being a team player. But it's fine. I'll give you the keys. Jake.
Oh shit. Yeah, so the camera is right there. Pointed this way.
You're gonna walk over here? I can throw you the keys. Or not.
Bro.
What do you mean?
I'll just tough it out. It's not too cold. It'll be okay.
Alright. Wow, guys. Jake didn't want to join the adventure. Jake didn't want to come inside. Jake didn't want to film. Jake didn't even want to wait in the car. He's too scared to wait in the car, guys. So this is your first impression of Jake, and you can already tell Jake's a bitch. Just kidding, Jake's cool. All right, let's continue up the creepy stairwell. What the fuck is this? What is this? Cotton gin experts. My subscribers, tell me what this is. Ooh, look! Is this what I think it is? It's either the hair of a brunette girl, or it's some cotton. What do we think, guys? Is it cotton? What am I touching? Whoa. It feels like cotton. Why is it brown? Maybe someone can help me understand. Why is this cotton brown? Whoa. Oh yeah, there was a fire here. I forgot. Look at this. There was a fire here in like 2020, I think, actually. 2016 and 2020. So it looks like this part of the building actually burned. That would explain all the black. Guys, look, we did our research. Look at us learning, growing together. This is an educational YouTube channel. I'm gonna have to change the category, educational. Yeah, that makes sense. All the charred. Yeah. Damn, must have been a hot fire. Look, it goes all the way up to the ceiling. Jesus. Yo, is this more cotton? What the hell is this? What is that? This must be cotton, right? Or a weave? Oh my god. Guys, open wire. Nice. Seems safe. Should I touch it? And for my final trick, I will escape from the dungeon. Here you go. You're probably gonna need to help me, boss.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get it on camera.
Wait, this is gonna be easy, I think.
That's what I'm saying. Getting out's the easy part.
I'm being birthed. Yeah. We did it. Ah, fuck, cotton.
Did you really get caught?
Dude, there's cotton all over the place in there. Whew. That was interesting.
Probably why it caught fire so many times.
It's huge. There's like 4 buildings. Most of them are cleared out. This one is huge. It just has these big fat floors, all empty. Where I guess they used to do cotton, whatever the fuck, distribution or manufacturing.
Probably both.
Not an expert here.
Yeah, this place is not on Google Maps. They do not want people to know about this abandoned building for sure.
Yeah, we couldn't find it. There's no pin, there's no address. Jake, because we knew it burned in 2020, so Jake you went on Twitter and searched for
like what roads were closed on the date that it was burning and used that to geolocate it. Yes, some of the Sherlock Holmes
perfect
type stuff.
Love it. But yeah, you're her bitch for not going in.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, but it was really interesting in there. Really creepy. Honestly, if I didn't have the camera, I would have been losing my shit. Because I feel like I had someone to talk to.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's it for now. Maybe some more abandoned factories later. We'll see.